How to set up shipping policy on Shopify. To set up a shipping policy on Shopify, you may follow these steps. Log in to your Shopify admin, then go to your Shopify dashboard and log in. Navigate to Settings. Click on Settings in the bottom left corner of your dashboard. Choose Shipping. Under Settings, click on Shipping. Create or edit shipping zones. You will see a list of your existing shipping zones. You can either edit an existing zone or create a new one. Set up shipping rates. Once you're in the shipping zone, you can set up shipping rates based on weight, price, or location. You can offer free shipping, flat rates, or carrier calculated rates. Since I already have mine set up, I'm not going to create a new one, but that's how it's done. After that, you need to create your shipping policy. Add shipping policy to your store. After configuring your shipping rates, you need to add a shipping policy to your store. To do this, go to Settings again, scroll down, and click on Policies, then look for Shipping Policies. Edit Shipping Policy. Enter the details of your shipping policy, including information about shipping times, methods, cost, and any additional terms or conditions. Save changes. Once you've created or edited your shipping policy, make sure to save your changes. That's it, your shipping policy is now set up on your Shopify store. Make sure to review and update it regularly to reflect any changes in your shipping procedures or policies. Thank you so much for watching.